Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, children, good morning to everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Just waiting for you all to join.
हाँ छोड़ो ना कंटिन्यू मीटिंग
So, in the previous class, we have started this chapter, sources of energy. And we have discussed about fuel, that each and for generating energy or for burning of the substances which burn to produce heat is known as fuel. And whatever bodies require energy, they require some of the other type of fuel for generation of energy. So here there are so many types of energy sources. So we have to classify them, and according to the classification of energy sources, they have been put in three categories according to occurrence, according to physical state, and according to availability. So according to occurrence, please mute your mic, mute करिए, काविश, Pallavi, all of you mute your mic. Kavish, 80. So I was talking that according to occurrence, there are natural resources and synthetic sources. Then natural sources are your wind, water, and solar energy, which gives you heat, or which is a form of energy source. Then synthetic source or man-made source is your chemical energy, electrical energy. Electrical energy can be produced by water sources, so you cannot say that it is a synthetic source. But we have to produce directly, we cannot take it. Then physical state, solid, liquid, gas. And according to availability, it is renewable and non-renewable, that is inexhaustible and exhaustible. Children, I am telling the alternate word also which is mentioned in your book, because sometimes questions come from the alternative word which are given in your book. So you should know that the renewable sources are also known as inexhaustible, and non-renewable sources are also known as exhaustible resource.
Good morning, ma'am.
Virat Kashyap. Good morning. Virat Kashyap, please mute your mic. And Kavish, again, I am telling your name. Okay. Now let's start now. Then we were talking about fossil fuels. We all know that fossil fuels are prepared by the burning of the dead plant and animal remains in the earth crust for millions and billions of years. Then, due to the action of heat and temperature and pressure. Then wood as a fuel. Wood is considered to be a major renewable natural resource because we can get it in a shorter duration of time, and they are in a cycle. That means wood we are getting easily. That is why we are using it as a fuel. But is it, children, good to use wood for our fuel?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Why? Give me the
Because
This
reason.
is lot of smoke and foul smelling gases which cause air pollution.
Air pollution. Yes. And they are the prominent gases which are produced during burning of this wood is carbon dioxide and
Carbon monoxide.
Carbon
monoxide.
monoxide,
Carbon monoxide.
CO2 and CO.
What hazard they are doing to our environment and our body?
greenhouse effect.
Huh?
Greenhouse.
It is polluting the environment. Then if we are going to use wood as a fuel in a regular pattern, first of all, it is not healthy for our lungs, for our eyes, because those poisonous gases, they hamper or damage our body parts. And the second thing, that we are damaging the environment also by cutting down this wood, as the wood plants play a very important role in the environment. So we should see that the forest is not destructed and heavy destruction should not be there. Excessive removal of wood should not be there. And that will lead to soil erosion and loss of habitat. These all points you should have in your mind to answer these questions. Then we have today's topic is coal. Which type of source of energy is it?
Combustible black.
Non-renewable.
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 Exhaustible.
Because it will
Exhaustible.
period of time. ये आपका fossil fuel के अंदर आता है. So it is a non-renewable source of energy. But where it is occurring, occurrence of coal, we will say, then formation of how coal is formed, that a general idea we have, that if it is buried in a long, the remains of dead plants are buried under surface of the earth for a long period of time, then due to change in temperature and pressure and geological action means the action which are going on inside the earth surface. अर्थ सरफेस में टेम्परेचर प्रेशर का जो डिफरेंस क्रिएट होते रहता है, उसके कारण ये फॉर्मेशन होता है कोल. Then the process of conversion of dead plant material into coal is known as carbonization. ये वर्ड भी याद रखोगे आप लोग, carbonization. It is a definition term. Carbonization means if the conversion of dead plant and animal is changed into, means these dead plants and animals are converted into coal, then that process is known as carbonization. Then there is a topic that is types of coal. 4 types of coal are there. First is your peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite. Now, what makes it different from each other? The percentage of coal, carbon product in these different types of coal varies, and there is that makes it different from each other. The best quality coal is your anthracite. Anthracite सबसे अच्छा है क्योंकि उसमें percentage of carbon is more. And you can see here, this difference is caused by the temperature pressure difference जो अर्थ क्रस्ट में हो रहा है और वो कितना कन्वर्शन हो that way or reactions which are going on inside the earth crust. Carbon percentage 30% is there in peat, 38% in lignite, and 65% in your that is why is different from each other. They are used, it is the early stage of formation of coal is your peat. It is soft brown in color. And then the second one, that is lignite. It is used mainly for generating electric power generation. Then bituminous or coal has got 65% carbon. And this is also another type of carbon which is used for power generation. And another type of fuel which is called coke. Then anthracite is hard and contains 90% carbon and it is regarded as the highest grade of carbon. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़िया माना जाता है कोल के में carbon percentage के कारण. Clear? So question comes that which has got the highest percentage of carbon? What are the different types of coal? Then why is there difference between these different types of coal? So these all questions are related to this topic. Then another topic is destructive distillation and its product. So when we are heating coal in absence of air, then that process is known as destructive distillation. Oxygen में coal को heat which are formed due to this process are your coke, coal tar, and coal gas. These are the products obtained after destructive distillation of coal. Ankit Anand, don't discuss in the class. Personal discussion should not be there. Then here, coke is a hard and porous substance and it is used in domestic and industrial fuel, in stove and furnaces, and it releases very little or no smoke. Then it is used in extraction of metals. Now you understand extraction of metals? ये समझते हो आप लोग?
Yes, ma'am. मैम किसी मिनरल से
क्या होता है
मैम किसी मिनरल से मेटल को निकालना, अलग करना.
Yes. मेटल्स को उसके मेटालिक ओर से निकालने के प्रोसेस को एक्सट्रैक्शन करते हैं. ठीक है? And in that process it is used to make fuel gas like water gas which has the formula CO plus H2. And this is also very important question. Sometimes the formula of water gas is asked. So please underline in your book. Then what is the use of coal tar? Coal tar is coal tar. You have seen children when the laborers they make the road. आप देखते होंगे ब्लैक कलर का सब्सटेंस वो लोग मेल्ट करते रहता है रोड साइड में
Yes, ma'am.
और
Yes,
that is coal tar. वही coal tar है
अलकतरा
और उसको हाँ अलकतरा बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी में. तो कोल टार का भी बहुत सारा यूज है एंड इट इज ऑब्टेन्ड एज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट फॉर डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्टिलेशन ऑफ destructive distillation of manufacture of synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfume, paint, photographic materials, and roofing materials. These are the uses of this coal tar. Coal tar का ये सब use है. ठीक है? Next, coal gas. It is called inflammable gas. ये बहुत ही ज्वलनशील पदार्थ है. Pranav Kumar, please stop. Just mute your mic. Pranav and Aryan. You all don't understand that when you are in the class, at least you, it is an inflammable gas and it is used as domestic fuel. Then and usually only for those industries which are located near coal processing units. And say destructive distillation of coal. Now one
Ma'am,
of you.
Is the coal
बोलिए.
used only after its destructive distillation?
No, नहीं, it is used in its pure form also. अभी आप देखे हो ना types of coal का भी तो uses
Yes,
देख ही रहे हो. ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि उसका डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्टिलेशन होने के बाद यूज होता है, ऐसा नहीं है. ठीक है, अलग अलग यूजेस है. द टाइप चेंजेस, टाइप ऑफ यूजेस चेंज.
Ma'am, what is volatile material?
ये सब विस्कस तरह के मटेरियल्स को डिस्क्राइब करने के हम वहां डेंस यूज ना करके विस्कस यूज करते हैं कोल टार के साथ.
मैम कोल गैस क्या होता है?
गैस जो रिलीज होता है, जो गैस रिलीज होता है डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्टिलेशन के प्रोसेस के टाइम में, उसको कोल गैस कहते हैं.
मैम डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिस्टिलेशन में एक साथ ही ये तीनों प्रोडक्ट ऑब्टेन होता है या फिर ये सबको ऑब्टेन करने?
I couldn't get your question. एक बार और
मैम
बोलिए.
कोल टार, कोल गैस और कोक को जो हम लोग कोल हीट करते हैं तो ये तीनों एक साथ ऑब्टेन होता है या फिर इसको ऑब्टेन करने का अलग?
नहीं, ये अलग अलग टेम्परेचर पर अलग अलग तरह से निकलेगा. स्ट्रॉन्ग हीटिंग करेंगे तो इसको अलग अलग तरह से निकाला जाता है. एक तार के हीट होगा तो वो कोल टार अलग निकलेगा और कोक अलग निकलेगा जब वो बर्न कर जाएगा.
यस मैम.
वो अलग अलग निकलता है. They all are separately, but when you are strongly heating, they start emitting, the coal start emitting all these products.
Yes.
Now,
Ma'am,
let us read that.
मैम लिग्नाइट को इन सबसे लोएस्ट ग्रेड ऑफ कोल क्यों बोला जाता है? मैम पीट में तो उससे कम परसेंट कार्बन है. मैम लिखा है लिग्नाइट इज रिगार्डेड एज द लोएस्ट ग्रेड ऑफ कोल.
उसका क्वालिटी जो है वो आपको सबसे ज्यादा लो होता होगा. अर्लीस्ट स्टेज में पीट को माना जाता है तो पीट तो कोल का एक फॉर्म है, लेकिन उसको हम किसी चीज में ज्यादा यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पाते, ठीक है। यूटिलाइजेशन आपका लिग्नाइट से ही जाता, वो तो जस्ट स्टार्टिंग स्टेज है पीट। परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन उसमें बहुत कम होता है, जो बर्न ही नहीं कर सकता है, जो हीट प्रोड्यूस ही नहीं कर सकता है, तो वो हमारे यूजफुल यूज का तो कुछ नहीं हुआ। तो जो यूज वाला क्वालिटी है उसमें सबसे लोएस्ट।
यस मैम।
चलिए अब आपको थोड़ा हम लोग रीड कर लेते हैं ताकि पता चल जाए कि कोई पॉइंट और छूटा हुआ तो नहीं है। One of you
Coal is a readily combustible black rock or a brownish black sedimentary rock. Coal is one of the fuel that has been used for cooking food. However, it produces a lot of smoke and foul-smelling gases which cause air pollution. Worldwide, coal, a fossil fuel, is the largest occurrence of coal. Coal is found deep under the surface of the earth. The major coal mines in India are located in Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. The largest coal mines are at Bokaro and Jharia in Jharkhand, and Raniganj in West Bengal. Do you know? Worldwide, coal is one of the largest source of CO2 emission. Its use therefore need to be curtailed. Formation of coal.
curtail. Wait a minute here. आप सबसे ज्यादा अकरेंस कहाँ है कोल का? तो ये झारखंड, मध्य उड़ीसा, वेस्ट बंगाल में है। लार्जेस्ट कोल माइन बोकारो एंड झरिया में है, and it is in Jharkhand, and
And over the world.
पढ़ रहे हो कि वर्ल्ड वाइड the alternative sources of coal, because एक तो कोल बनने में बहुत टाइम लगता है, ऊपर से कोल माइंस है, those areas are inside से उस पे next point is that coal is not very healthy for the environment also and for the health also. So we are curtailing it. We are reducing the use of coal. Coal का use जहाँ बहुत ही जरूरी है वहीं पर ऐसे कोल का यूज हम लोग कम करते जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट,
Formation of it under the earth crust. Over a large period of time, the chemical and physical properties of these remains were changed through geological action that led to the creation of this solid material. The process of conversion of dead plant material into coal is called carbonization.
not working properly. Wait a minute. Okay, start reading.
Formation of
The process of conversion of formation of coal.
If you are good done, Vaishnavi, you can read.
Yes, ma'am.
Types of coal, you can start again.
Okay, ma'am. Types of coal. Depending on the temperature and conditions and the time period for which fossils remain buried under the surface of Earth, different varieties of coal have been formed. Different types of coal are heat, lignite, tide. These different types of coal differ from each other in terms of their content of volatile but element compound substance that is made up of 30% carbon. It is the earliest stage during the formation of coal. Lignite has a carbon content of about 38%. It is regarded as the lowest grade of coal. It has been used mainly for electric power generation. Bituminous coal has about 65% carbon. It is used for power generation and for making another type of fuel called coke. Anthracite is hard coal and contains over 90% carbon. It is regarded as the highest grade of coal.
Ma'am, you are muted.
You are muted.
Come on, please read it.
Destructive distillation and its products. Strong heating of coal in absence of air. In absence of air is called destructive distillation. We obtain many products like coke. And types of coal is completed.
We were on types of coal. Types of coal पे थे हम लोग.
Ma'am, types of coal completed.
Okay. चलिए ठीक है. Destructive distillation पढ़िए.
Destructive distillation and its products. Strong heating of coal in absence of air is called destructive distillation. We obtain many products like coke, coal tar, and coal gas through the destructive distillation of coal. Coke. It is a hard and porous substance. Its main uses are listed below. It is used as a domestic as well as an industrial fuel in stoves and furnaces. It gives little or no smoke. It is used for extraction of metals. It can be used to make fuel gases like water gas, CO plus H2. Coal tar. It is a black colored viscous liquid. It is used in the manufacture of synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, paints, photographic materials, and roofing materials. Coal gas. It is an inflammable gas. It is used unit.
This process of destructive distillation and its products clear to all of you? Yes. Yes. It is used as a domestic as well as industrial fuel in stove and furnaces. Listen, 2-3 points, whatever are given in your book, at least 3 point आप लोग हमेशा लर्न करने में लर्न करिएगा, क्योंकि 3 marks question, 5 marks question and 1 and 2 marks question comes in your yearly exam. Then always learn the percentage of carbon in different types of coal. Name of different types of coal and percentage of carbon content in the different types of. Here are the other things to be learned by you. That is your fuel.
Yes.
मैम
मैम इसका कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू
मैम कोक का यूज मैम फिर से
कैलोरीफिक
रिपीट
वैल्यू ज्यादा होगा.
Yes, what do you want? क्या बोल रहे हो?
मैम कोक का यूज फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए ना.
कोक का यूज डोमेस्टिक और इंडस्ट्रियल फ्यूल के फॉर्म में यूज होता है, फर्नेस में, एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ मेटल्स में, एंड इट इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग फ्यूल गैस लाइक वाटर गैस. ओके, एनीथिंग मोर यू वांट टू डिस्कस? कुछ और पूछना है तो पूछिए. हाँ, एक आपको हमेशा ध्यान रखना होगा that how it is how the different types of coal are formed. Formation कैसे होता है? तो formation होने के लिए suppose difference in pressure and temperature. It is not so that it is formed at one place only. एक ही जगह चारों तरह का formation नहीं होगा. हो पाएगा क्या? What do you think?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It will be formed at different places in the earth crust. अलग अलग जगह पर ये formation होगा. और क्यों होगा? क्योंकि अलग अलग तरह के surface का, मतलब crust के अंदर के surface का temperature, pressure, heat सब अलग होता है. That is why it is that formation of different kinds of coal takes place. Clear? Now, one question is there. How does different types of coal differ from each other? Then what will be the answer? The answer will be according to the content of volatile material. Volatile material का मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ?
burning
Evaporated.
material. Burning
कितना
material.
परसेंटेज उसमें बर्न करने वाला मटेरियल है, मतलब कार्बन परसेंटेज कितना है. आप कोल को की बात कर रहे हैं, that we are talking about the heat generation only ना, उसको बर्न करके हमको हीट चाहिए. तो जितना ज्यादा कार्बन प्रोडक्ट होगा उतना वो हीट करे, बर्न करेगा और उतना हमको हीट जनरेट करेगा. Then percentage of carbon, moisture and other element present. Clear? Now I think from my side I have given you all the points. अगर आपको कोई दिक्कत होगी तो आप read कर लीजिएगा, read it, read the lesson, and then collect the question, and then we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. But all of you,
Thank you,
please
ma'am.
read your chapter. Lesson reading is very
Yes,
important.
ma'am.
बहुत जरूरी है lesson read करना
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
and collect the points.
Yes.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.